back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily remote work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is requiring no experience whatsoever, no college degree. They are paying $20 an hour, so this is perfect if you want to just get in and get started working from home. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you enjoy this type of job lead, give this video a thumbs up, a like button, because that does give me direct feedback that I'm sharing things that are helpful to you. Today's job lead is from the company Gametime United. Now, Gametime United is a company that sells last-minute event tickets. Now, they only have 63 reviews on Glassdoor, so please do your own research on this company. However, the current and past employees that have reviewed them, they have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a fraud review specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. It says they have platforms on iOS, Android, mobile web, and desktop that supports 25,000 events across the United States and Canada. They're looking for somebody to be responsible for processing chargeback disputes and manually reviewing orders that have been declined for fraud or their fraud provider. You'll review these false positive identifications of fraud and assist those fans to purchase tickets. The agent will communicate with fan happiness, ticket ops, and other departments to facilitate ticket purchases. So you'll resolve ticket purchasing issues as related to fraud. You'll identify the root cause of any wrongful cancellations or other undesirable situation for the fans trying to purchase tickets. Of course, you'll document any actions that you take, processes, and policies around the fraud detection and ticket procurement, and you'll provide information to the dispute team to successfully resolve the ticket issues. So if the tickets were fraud and processed in error, you'll process that credit card charge back as needed. Now, here's the best part: required skills, education, and experience. They're just looking for somebody who has great communication skills, great attention to detail, and the ability to multitask or manage varying workloads and deadlines. That is it. No actual experience needed, no college degree is needed. Now, pay for this position is a flat $20 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, disability benefits, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, remember that sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead helpful, please share this video with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.